This video I will be showing you that how you can create a text to speech campaign. To create a text to speech campaign, firstly you need to log in into the VoiceBall application. Then you have to go on this campaign tab over here. Then you have to click on new text to speech campaign. Once you clicked on new text to speech campaign, the form will appear. There will be few options, few form fields which we need to fill up to create a campaign. The first field is about campaign title, so I will give a title name like text to speech voiceover. Then VoicePal currently supports two different services. One is Google and other is Amazon. So once you click on any of these services, you will see the supported options by that particular service. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use Google Voice service. So the first field which will be displayed when you select Google is voice. So if you click on this drop down box, you will see many options over here. That is basically voices with different accents and different languages. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose English US. Then I can set speaking speech or speaking rate or speed for this particular campaign. So I will keep default values for now. Then the voice type, once you select any language, if you, let's say for example, if you select Arabic, inside voice type there will be different language types and different voiceovers will be listed over there. So for English US, I'm going to select one, let's say Australian WebNet A sample, so that I will be using. Now the VoicePal supports SSML tags inside the text, which basically gives you options to adding break, emphasis, etc. into your voiceovers. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use SSML, a demo SSML. Later on, I will be explaining into a separate video that how you can use SSML tags into your VoiceBall campaigns. So for now, I'm using a ready-made text for this demonstration. And once you click on Save Campaign, the campaign is saved now and your voiceover is created instantly. So if you click on this play audio button over here,
Here are SSML
you will
samples.
see,
I can pause. I can play a sound. Didn't get your MP3 audio file. I can speak in cardinals. Your number is 10.
so you can if you click on this play audio button, you will be able to hear the exact conversion of your text to voice or speech. There is download button is provided. If you click that button, the file will be downloaded, which you can use it directly. So this is it for this video. Thank you.